Hi guys, I want to take you through a Hideout leftover 2022 Hideout 253RL. We just placed it here in the showroom and it's honestly one of my favorite Hideout floor plans. When you walk in, the entrance into your camper is more towards the back, but as soon as you walk in, you have your theater reclining seats. I love the fact that the chairs aren't, binded together. They're not mounted into anything, the floor and all of that stuff. So you can change the position if you want to have a better conversation with the people on the sofa or a better view of the TV. You have the capability to move it to your own comfortability. Huge windows are back here as well. They can open up, get a nice breeze going, some fresh air, the fall breeze, just everything like that. The campfire smell. So it's nice that you have the option to open that up if you want. Of course, the windows are tinted. They're not completely blacked out. So just keep that in mind so you can kind of have the privacy that you want. Power outlets are on each side. Put a lamp here if you want. Charge your devices. You won't have any problem. And then your additional storage is there above, extra blankets, sheets, pillows, DVDs, board games, things like that. And then across the entrance from your, or across the way from your theater seats is the control paneling for everything, which is really nice. Diagonal is this jackknife sofa. Comes with the table. As you can see, we've displayed it. You can easily just take it down, stow it away if you have no use for it. But this kind of doubles as your dining room table. So it's really nice. You can still be able to watch TV, be comfortable, and then just put the table away when you're done eating. This will fold down to a sleeping spot for an extra person, maybe two depending on size. Armrests are removable, and let's see if I can show you. There are drawers underneath each seat. So it kind of pulls out, looks very nice and finished when it's tucked away, so it doesn't even look like drawers, but you can just have extra gear going there. End table here on the left-hand side with a USB port mounted on the base. More windows above, and then our sale price is looking at $27,999 for everything. Across the way is where your TV mounting bracket goes. So get one on a swivel. You can have a better view from the theater seats, the sofa, wherever. And then all of this countertop space here, food prep, get a buffet style going for your friends and family, but it's just a lot of additional space for the kitchen area. Power outlets, speaker system mounted under there, and you have a really cool jumbo size drawer. Same thing down below. You can put like candy goods down there. It can carry all that extra weight from the canned goods. 3-burner stove top with this glass cover. You fold it up like this, and if you're cooking something like soup, sauces, bacon grease, it tends to splash everywhere. You can easily wipe it off of that glass top cover. Then, of course, your oven, even some accent lights on your knobs, which is pretty cool. Storage down below, built-in road vac system, so that's a built-in vacuum inside your camper. Comes with a hose, you hook it up and you can sweep up every square inch of this unit. Range hood, microwave, more cabinetry, and they all have accent lights, which is really nice. 60-40 split sink, and then here is your fridge. So honestly, this is the prime sitting location because you don't have to get up if you want to grab something really quickly from the fridge. It's stainless steel, and then here is your pass-through entrance to the master bedroom, but it's a pass-through bathroom. Sink storage down below, closet space for the towels and linens, power back there, porcelain foot flush toilet, nice stand-up shower. Put your own little shower curtain on it, customize it. And then here we have the master bedroom, queen size bed, extra storage underneath. Closet lockers are on each side. The right-hand side actually has, in place of the nightstand, you can lift it up, the lid, and it's a laundry chute that goes down to your pass-through storage. Here is the closet, open shelf, and then just behind me is where your TV goes. So you have your hookups and stuff for it. Your own outside entrance leading into the master. Coming towards the front is your powered tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, aluminum front cap and siding with diamond plating or guard to help protect and preserve it, pass-through storage, and then looking up above, it's kind of hard to see, is actually where your dirty clothes will fall. So it'll fall right here. You are prepped for Furrion side marker cameras. You have power stabilizing jacks, powered awning, outside speakers, access to your water heaters on this side as well. Also your furnace for maintenance purposes, power if you need to plug something in out here, and then solid steps leading up into your coach. This even has a solar panel on it since this is a 2022 Keystone model. So any extra questions about the Hideout 253RL, feel free to message us or leave a comment down below.